So guys, what we are going to do is to go to our container. We edit our container, so don't forget these settings. So your audio, you are going to use pause. So from there you can see our GPU name. You leave those as default. So now the most important one is our preset 1 and preset 2. So what are we going to do? So you go to settings. From settings you select 0.32 new and 0.62 new. So our first preset now is, don't forget that our Dynarec 1, those figures, enter those figures so that your GTA will be able to run faster. Guys, this is not a joke. If you just enter all these figures, you are going to get amazing results. And this setup allow you to play majority of your games on WINLATORs, your PC games. You can see we are having a stable FPS of 25-30. Sometimes in some places we'll be getting, like you can see, 30 FPS, 30-29. So it is very stable, guys, with these settings. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, try to subscribe to my channel. And if you don't know how to set up your GTA 5, you can reach me on my Telegram page. Don't forget to like and share this video.
Crap.
Oh,
Hey, don't make me commit a 187, homie.
Fucking hell.
Oh, shit. Man, you got off lucky, homie.
You're kidding!
Man, the chief is being a real hard ass.
Yeah, heave hold of that.
Ass.
Damn, the popo, shit!